This AI can rebuild an entire app from a single screenshot. And that's not even the craziest part. Just upload a screenshot. That's it. The AI studies the design, recreates the interface, and can even generate the code behind it. What used to take developers days can now happen in minutes. The scary part? Any popular app can become inspiration for thousands of copies overnight. So imagine this. If one screenshot is all AI needs, how hard will it be to stay ahead? The future of software is changing fast. Follow for more.